crazy.
Come on, let's go crazy. Alright, so how you feel about the water today?
It's beautiful outside today. Look at the sun. The sun is so... Oh, shit. Whoa, are you making me laugh on camera?
Oh, bro,
Bro, don't make me play.
It's not that.
These are the funniest interview pranks.
No.
No? Okay. What about this?
Oh my God.
Today's your lucky day. You just won brand new AirPods. No, you won.
Oh.
Well, you won.
Why?
You guessed the right number. You won.
You guys want to be in my interview real quick? We're just interviewing guys who stick Sharpies up their butt when they jack up.
Hey, that's some funny shit, though. You gotta...
Oh boy. Could I give me 5 seconds to just think about it? Boom, boom.